Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can add Airbnb reviews for your Duda site. So let's go. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets is Airbnb reviews. So let's just click on sign up free and sign up with a Google or Facebook or normal email. It's really up to you. And then just click login. When you will have it, you will be in applications here and you want to write here Airbnb. When you have it, you're gonna see Airbnb reviews, create a widget. And now you have options between choosing reviews widget, carousel, slider, grid, list on masonry. I recommend going with like normal reviews widget. In my opinion, is the best, but you can choose which one you like. Let's continue with the template. Add a URL here. Then you can change the style and everything, and then just click save. When you will have it, you need to choose a plan. You can start with a light one if you got starting out with your site 200 views, or go with the basic or pro version. That's like $5 a month or $10 a month. And when you will have it, let's copy the code. Let's go to our site. Let's add a widget, HTML, and let's add a code. Update. And now let's wait. Voila, here we got it. Let's change the design a little bit. Let's move it. And this is how we do it. Quite simple, quite easy. So this is how we can add Airbnb reviews. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. What I recommend, check it all the other L applications here. Maybe you will find useful some of them. And yeah, thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.